Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's first of all open the settings and then find the app management. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on Special App Access in this Permissions section and tap on Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. From now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the Chrome to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually hold the device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.